Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming two accounts, Trailhead and Trailblazer Community, because eligibility checks use both. Once done, locate the exact certification you need and read the voucher policy that applies to your employer or training partner. You must also collect employer or program proof, name, contact, and a short role description so your request isn't bounced. Make sure to capture current course completion or workshop attendance evidence. That saves time. Now, you're ready to initiate the official voucher request. You now submit the request through the authorized channel, your training provider, employer L&D, or the specific Salesforce partner administering vouchers. Attach Trailhead completion badges, enrollment receipts, and the employer contact you collected. Once you submit, follow up immediately by asking for the confirmation email that specifies the voucher code, delivery timeline, and expiration date. Keep a clear subject line and a concise cover note. This reduces back and forth. If asked for extra proof, provide screenshots rather than links to speed verification. You redeem the voucher when scheduling with Prometric or WebAssessor by entering the code at checkout. Do this before submitting payment so the discount applies. Verify the code matches the exam and hasn't expired. Mismatch is the most common failure. If redemption fails, escalate immediately to the issuing contact, ask them to validate provider records, and request a replacement code. Keep copies of all emails and screenshots. They enable a faster resolution and prevent losing your exam slot or payment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.